Hello, and welcome to Mrs. Field's kindergarten class. Today we are going to do a lesson, and first I would like to go over the classroom rules. So the first rule is going to be kind to others. We always want to be kind to others, and we don't want to hurt others' feelings. Our second rule is treat others how you want to be treated, so make sure you treat everyone the way you would like to be treated. And then my third rule is follow directions and do what I ask of you, please. And the last one is to have fun. So the ELA Common Core Standard that we are going to be going over today is ELA Literacy K.2a, which is going to be recognize and produce rhyming words. Our objective is going to be students will be able to recognize and produce rhyming words by the end of the lesson. We're going to go over a little bit of our review because yesterday we went over rhyming words. And remember, when we talked about rhyming words, they normally have the same ending. So they have the at, the op. For example, I have cat and mat, which they both have at the end. And then I have hat and bat, in which they both have at the end as well. So that just shows you that the words that you're using that have similar sounds at the end are most likely going to be able to rhyme. Here I have like a couple pictures showing you the cat and mat, which they're totally two different things. They're not the same or anything, but it's showing you that even though they're not similar, they both rhyme because of their at. And then I have hat and bat, which is something you wear, and a bat is something that you hit with. And even though they're not both sports items, they still go together because they rhyme. They are in the at family. So we are going to read a story. So I want you to put your best listening ears on and tell me if you hear any rhyming words in the story. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. A told B, and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. Wee, said D to E, F, and G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom, will there ever be enough room? Here comes H up to the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along K, all the way up the coconut tree. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom, will there ever be enough room? Look who's coming, LMNOP and QRS. Still more, W and XYZ, the whole alphabet up the, oh no, chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Skit, scat, scoodle, dop, flip, flop, flee. Everybody's running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears and then dust off their pants. Help us up, cried ABC. Next from the pile up, skinny D and stub toe E and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I, and J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped and N is stooped. O is twisted alley-oop. Skit, scat, skadoodle, flip, flop, flee. Look who's coming, it's black-eyed P, Q, R, S, and loose-tooth T. Then U, V, W, wiggle, jiggle, free. Last to come, X, Y, Z. And the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But chicka, chicka, boom, boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. So, after we've read our story, can anyone tell me any of the rhymes they heard? Is a question that I would ask my class, and I would wait for a couple students to volunteer and tell me about some words that they heard rhyme in the story. For example, the words that I would have showed the class that stood out to me that rhymed was looped and stooped. because they both have the oot ending of the word, which makes them rhyme. The first two letters are just slide in there, and then you can make different words. And then I would start an activity with them. Excuse me. I would give everyone a blank piece of paper, and I want them to draw two different items or animals or whatever they wanted that rhymed, but it had to be two different things that rhymed together. And then when we were done, I would have had the whole class share it and everyone go around and show what activity or what drawing they drew, and I would have them tell me the words that rhymed. And this activity I would give them about 3 minutes to do before I would wrap it up and then have everybody share. For an exit ticket, I would have had them do this activity here. This is also a rhyming word activity where you draw the line from word to word that rhymes. So, for example, I have jar and far there, so those are the two words that rhyme together. I would have them complete this activity before they left. And this activity is an activity that would take them no more than 5 minutes, I would say. So it's a real easy activity and something that they can get their brain still working with the rhyming words. For homework, I would ask my class to find 2 rhyming words at home that rhyme and then draw a picture like we did in class. And then when they came back to school, we would share them again about 2 different things at home that rhyme. And so I thought that was a good thing, a good way to get the family involved and be able to find words that rhyme together. Thank you so much for being understanding why I've been sick. It's been very hard. I'm sorry I missed class on Tuesday, but I hope you are able to watch this and enjoy it. Thank you.